On a remote island in Indonesia, archaeologists found a skeleton that shouldn't exist. 3 feet tall, adult, perfectly formed. It wasn't a child. It wasn't deformed. It was an entirely different species of human. They called her the Hobbit, formerly Homo floresiensis, and she didn't live in isolation. Her kind walked that island for nearly 100,000 years. The island was Flores, a volcanic speck in the Indonesian archipelago, cut off from the mainland by deep ocean currents that no ancient human could cross. And on that island, evolution did something strange. It shrank everything. Elephants became the size of dogs, predators grew into giants, and humans became 3 feet tall. They shared their island with Komodo dragons, 10-foot-long apex predators with venomous bites. And yet, the Hobbit survived. They made stone tools. They hunted. They held their ground against dragons. But here's what broke every rule scientists believed. Their brain was the size of a chimpanzee's, 1/3 of ours. Conventional theory said, that's too small for language, for planning, for complex thought. But the tools they left behind? They required precision, strategy, the passing of knowledge from one generation to the next. Their brain was small, but it rewired itself to do more with less. Then, around 50,000 years ago, they vanished. We still don't know why. Volcano, climate, or maybe we arrived, and they couldn't compete with a species that didn't need to shrink. They stood 3 feet tall. They lived for 100,000 years. And they proved that intelligence doesn't need a big brain. It just needs the right conditions. Follow for more ancient biology.